Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your GitHub account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your GitHub account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address github.com, and after that you'll be directed over here on the home page of GitHub. Now, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on the sign in button, and over here, there is the username or the email address of a GitHub account which you had registered your GitHub account with. Enter your email address over here, and after that, enter your password over here, guys. But guys, if you forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username or your email and your password, click on the sign button over here, and then you'll be logged into your GitHub account online on your computer. And the guys, this is how to log into your GitHub account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.